Dear friends, today we will discuss MCQ Part 2 on earthing. So, first question is switch and necessary boxes need not to be earthed only when they are made up of sheet metal cast. Options are A sheet metal, B option is cast iron, C PVC, D metal. So, switch and accessory boxes need not be earthed when there is no need to earth them when the material is option A sheet metal, B cast iron, C PVC and D metal. So option C is the answer. So next question is the earth conductor provides path to ground for A option leakage current, B option overcurrent, option C high voltage, option D circuit current. So earth conductor provides path to ground for leakage current. Option A is the answer. Okay. So we will discuss now third question. The function of reversers in earth tester is to function of current reversers in earth tester. So earth tester has current reverser option. It is just a earth tester generating DC current. So we will see what is the answer. Here option A is change in AC to DC supply. Change DC to AC supply. Provide controlling torque. C option. D option bring the needle to the position. So as the earth tester has a DC generator, option is change DC to AC supply. So this is function of the current reverser. Question 4. At equal intervals of the time, the earth resistance to be measured. So at equal intervals of the time, earth resistance to be measured periodically by option A Megger, option B ohm meter, option C Wheatstone bridge, option D is earth tester. So here is earth tester is the option answer for the question 4. Question 5. What is the advantage of crimping? So crimping is required in cable terminations and connecting lugs is the operation. So option A gives the neat appearance to reduce load current. B, C is the easy to replace. D is avoid loose connection. So avoid loose connection. D is the answer. So question 6 is what is the effect of the effect if the person receives a shock current of 20 milliampere. So here options are A painful shock, B no sensation, C heart convulsion, D become unconscious. So answer is A painful shock, because humans can sense 1 milliampere also. So 30 milliampere is the maximum rating for the home appliances. Earth leakage protection is provided for 30 milliamperes. So 20 ampere will give a painful shock. Question 7 is the equipment protects from earthing protects from leakage current. A option, B option breakdown current, C option lightning stroke, D option overcurrent surge voltage, operational surge voltage. So here equipment earthing protects from leakage current, option A. 7th question has answer of A, option A leakage current. Question 8. Earth wire or the ground wire is made up of. Question 8. Earth wire or ground wire is made up of. Option A copper, option B aluminum, option C iron, option D galvanized steel. So earth wire or ground wire is made up of galvanized steel. Why galvanized steel? Because earth wire is or ground wire is used in a air out of the, it is not undergrounded, as the earthing strips and earthing mat is grounded below the ground in the soil. But this galvanized steel purpose is galvanizing is provided to protect earth wire from the corrosion in the air, because air has the oxygen and which interacts with the metals. So 8th question is completed. Now 9th question is which of the which is the advantage of stranded conductor over solid conductor? Which is the advantage of stranded conductor? So here is stranded conductor and second is solid conductor. So answer is which is the better. So advantage of stranded conductor is option A, cost is less, option B, more insulation resistance, option C, less voltage drop, option D, more flexible. So option D is the answer, more flexible. Question 10, on which principle the earth resistance tester works? On which principle the earth resistance tester works? Option A, fall of potential method, option B, mutual induction. Earth resistance tester working principle is asked here. So B option is mutual induction, C option is self induction is not there, D is Fleming left handed. Fall of potential is the right answer, because as the distance increases the voltage drop is increased, and resistance also earth resistance tester is having same principle of operation. Question 11. Question 11, as per ISI for pipe earthing, the minimum size of internal diameter of galvanized iron pipe is, as per IS, the pipe earthing, the minimum size of internal diameter of galvanized iron pipe, is. So GI pipe is has here galvanized is the important word, you can note galvanized iron. So question 11 option A is 19 mm, B is 25 mm, C is 32 mm, and D is the 38 mm. Option is 38 mm galvanized iron pipe is used. Question 12, minimum distance between the two plates in parallel should be option A 8 meter, option B 10 meter, option C 12 meter, option D 30 meter. So question 12, you have 10 meters of the separation distance between two earth pits in plates, because the interaction between the two earth pits, electromagnetic field interaction should be avoided. So the distance is provided between the two earth plates. Question 13, make the extension to earth conductor, the most suitable joint is first Britannia joint, married joint, B, C is western joint, D is scarf joint. So extension in the earth conductor, the most suitable joint is provided is western joint. So 13 question is completed. So question 14, how the exothermic weld is also one of the options, but not in extension. For the extension it is for the earth mat. Question 14, how the earth resistance can be reduced? Option A, increasing length of the electrodes, option B, decreasing the length of electrodes, option C, providing double earthing, option D is reducing pit depth for the earthing. So how the earth resistance is reduced? By increasing the length of the electrode. First A option is the right option for the question. Question 15, an electrical installation, the maximum circuit current is 100 amperes. Maximum circuit current is 100 amperes. Then the size of the copper earth conductor should be. So here is higher range. First A option is 8 SWG, B option is 10 SWG, C option is 12 SWG, D option is 14 SWG. So the higher size is 8 SWG. So here 8 SWG earth wire is used. Question 16, table fan with the double insulation. Table fan with the double insulation need not have A option neutral wire, B option earth wire, C. Phase wire. D. Live wire. C. Table fan with double insulation need not have earth wire. So earth wire is not compulsory in case the double insulation is provided in the table fan. Okay. So 17th question. Factors on which the soil resistance depends. Option A, depth of the soil, depth of the electrode, moisture. B. Option C, NaCl. Option D, all of the above. So all of the above, D option is the right answer for the 17th question. For this question number 18, equipment earthing is necessary to give protection against. Equipment earthing is necessary to give protection against A. Voltage fluctuation, B. Overloading, C. Danger of electric shock, D. High temperature of the conductor. Equipment earthing is necessary to give protection against. Equipment earthing is necessary to give protection against C. Danger of electric shock. Danger of electric shock is the right answer. Question 19. Moisture content in the soil dash dash the earth soil resistance. Option A. Moisture content in the soil. So moisture content in the soil dash dash the earth soil resistance. Option A does not affect. B increases the soil resistance. D decreases the earth soil resistance. D none of above. So question 19 has the answer. Right answer is moisture content in the soil decreases the earth soil resistance. So question 20, insufficient earth dash dash. So here option A is shock to operator. Shock to operator. Option B, motor fails to start, insufficient earth. Option C, overheating motor. Option D, short in the motor. So this question 20 number, shock will be sensed by the operator, insufficient earth. So if there is a loose or disconnected earth is provided, then operator may experience the shock. This is the right answer. So question 21, which color wire is recommended for earth connection as per ISI code? Which color wire is recommended for earth connection as per ISI code? Option A is blue, option B is red, option C is yellow, option D is green. So here 21 question, option D, green wire is provided. Where system earthing is done. Where system earthing is done. Option A is electroplating installation, domestic wiring installation, small industrious installation, D generating stations. So this is a very important question. System earthing means neutral earthing is provided here, and why this is provided and where it is provided. So generating stations is the right answer. It is provided in the generating station. So this system earthing is done at the source, first source side only. So this is the right answer. Electroplating, it is not related to this. Domestic wiring, already source is earth, so source system is earth, so it is also not coming. Small industrial installations, it is also as the source is source system earthing is earth, so it is not required. So question number 23, which location the service connection supply leads to be connected at the consumer's main board? C. Which location service connection supply leads to be connected at consumer's main board? Which location service connection supply? At which location? At which location service connection supply leads to be connected at consumer's main board? This is the question. So what it is meaning? Service connection supply where to be connected in the service board at the consumer's end. So consumer send, there is a energy meter, option A. Option B, main service. Option C, incomer cutout. Option D, distribution board. So where it is connected, source service connection is connected to the before energy meter there is a main switch. Before energy meter there is a cutout or main switch provided, and it should be connected to the main supply. Question 24, which instrument is used to test the new domestic wiring installation? Which equipment instrument is used to test the new domestic wiring installation? Multimeter, option A. Series type ohm meter, option B. Option C, shunt type ohm meter, option D is Megger. So Megger is the right option. Megger, it measures the insulation resistance and confirms the continuity of the wiring, and insulation is good. Question 25, what is the test to be carried out by using Megger? Megger polarity test. B is earth electrode resistance test, insulation resistance test. C, and fourth D, earth conductor continuity test. So option C is the right answer for the 25th question. So this was for today's MCQ on the earthing. For depth knowledge, you should follow this channel, and we'll discuss any doubts. If you have, please comment on the video.